What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, we're back with this S1. Ryan's going to be fitting an AIRTEC intercooler. He's fitted a new air filter as well. I'll show you that, but let's get on with it anyway. Get this front bumper off, this intercooler off, new one on.
Mate, there's going to be loads of swearing to do.
Fucking.
Oh, what a fucking prick.
Fucking prick.
Fuck off.
Getting fucking smashed. Fuck.
Everyone fucking listen.
Right.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me, set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
Is his tires just spinning?
Yeah.
Right, guys, well anyway, as you can see, right, he's moved the headlights there, he's moved all the other things. But you can see this, he's plastic crash bar and support, obviously off now. There's a stock intercooler, he's got 3 screws at the bottom he needs to take off. He's then got the boost pipe to take off, and then literally then just to install the new AIRTEC intercooler. So it is really cold. I am going to have to go. When this AIRTEC intercooler is on, because it literally is just the last little niddly bits now, I'm going to get Ryan to film a clip of the AIRTEC cooler on the front end, so obviously you can see the end result. When the bumper's back on, I'll get him to film it through the grill, show you, see what you can see. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. So I'm off. I'm going to let Ryan finish this off. I'll put them end clips in. Till next time, guys.